Division of fractions. To divide fractions, you must keep the first fraction, change the division to multiply, and flip the second fraction. We call that keep, change, and flip. So that's what we're going to be doing. So we're going to keep the 1 over 4, change division to multiply, and flip the 9 over 10. So keep the first fraction, change division to a multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we're going to have 1 over 4 times 10 over 9. And multiplication of fractions, you multiply numerator to the numerator and denominator to the denominator. So you normally call that straight across. Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So it's 1 times 10 over 4 times 9. So really and truly, division turns to multiplication. One times 10 divided by 4 times 9. One times 10 is 10. And 4 times 9 will give us 36. Now 10 over 36 can simplify because you have a highest common factor between them. That's a factor that can go into both 10 and 36, the highest one, which is 2. So you can divide both 10 and 36 by 2 to reduce this fraction to its lowest form. So it reduces to 5 over 18. It's also possible to make the reduction right from the beginning with the 4 by the multiplication side, the 4 and the 10. So you could have said the 10 divided by 2 and the 4 divided by 2 before the multiplication takes place. So that's an alternative way you could have done it. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, 5 ones are 5, and 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 nines are 18. So that's an alternative way you could have arrived at the same answer. Just remember, division of fractions, you keep the first fraction, change division to multiply, and you flip the second fraction, you invert it, and you apply multiplication, which is straight across, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. And the fraction that you get, if it can simplify, then you simplify it. This fraction is proper, so it remains as is. The numerator is smaller than the denominator, so it remains as 5 over 18. You cannot change a proper fraction to mix. It's an improper fraction that you can change to mix. So this fraction stays as is because it is a proper simplified fraction.